Hi everyone, in this video I'll introduce you the spaced repetition templates in Notion. Now there are 6 versions of the templates. These are complex, complex plus, moderate, moderate plus, simple, and simple plus. Plus versions are integrated with student planner template. So complex plus version is made of complex and student planner. Moderate plus is made of moderate and student planner. Simple plus is made of simple and student planner templates. We have reading tracker template 2. Reading tracker template is present in student planner template, so it's found it is present in plus versions too. Now let's get started. This is complex plus version. As we can see, the plus versions consists of spaced repetition template and student planner template. A student planner template consists of academic tracker, task tracker, goal tracker, habit tracker, reading tracker, notes, a common page, classes and subjects, a common page, flashcards, this is common too, class schedule and study log. These are the pages, databases in student planner template. We have weekly planner, calendar and calendar data. We have quick add buttons. These were the student planner template contents. Now this is home dashboard, main dashboard of plus versions. We have an overview section, today, upcoming, and overdue activities. I see what activities I have for today. So those activities, revisions, academic task, goals tabs, and habits, and recurrent tasks. I see all of them, every one of them in here. Activities for today, activities for tomorrow, 2 days later, and 3 days for 3 days later. So we have a revision, we have academic task, revision, goals tab, revision, and a habit. We have overdue activities in here, a task, a goals tab, academic task, revision. This is overview section. We have flashcards section. If we have a revision which has flashcards and which is assigned to today or which is overdue, this flashcard section will present me the flashcards of that revision. Now kinetic energy is overdue revision, so overdue. I see kinetic energy revision, second revision was January 14 and it's overdue. To practice flashcards, I click this type, then I type in my answer. After I've typed in my answer, I reveal the answer, then I change how I remember the answer. So was new, I change it to something else, forgotten, hardly, vaguely, partially, easily, and instantly I remember it. Depending on how well I remembered the answer, I change the remembering. I click reset to reset this to type, and I uncheck the box to hide the answer. We have goals section. Our in progress goals are presented in here. We have a master view. Master view is for revisions. Our revisions are categorized to mastered, good knowledge, needs review, and hold on section, depending on our progress, depending on our performance. Once we have completed our third revision, if second revision is completed, will be will be grouped, will be categorized as new. Once we have completed our third revision, will be grouped into these four categories. This is master view of revisions. I see my revisions: status 1, status 2, status 3. I have completed 3 revisions and my progress is 50%. Now, for example, if this was good, it will be mastered. So the category changes depending on our performance. We have a quick glance section. From here I choose my revision. Let me carbohydrates, and I see the revision status of that topic, of that revision topic. So status 1 is mediocre, status 2 is mediocre, status 3 is good, and status 4 is good. I change the revision topic to something else, and I see status 1 is good, status is good, status 3 is good. I choose the revision from here, and I see the status of my revision. I see progress of my targeted revision from here. You have classes overview in here. You have reading goals. You have reading overview. These are the books we are currently reading. We have books which we want to read next. We have books that we haven't started reading, and we have books in here which we have started but we didn't complete reading them. We have a weekly planner. We see in here our class schedule, mathematics, so essays schedule is our class schedule. It is from 8 a.m. till 9:30. I see my class schedule in here. I have assigned time to my activities. To assign a time to an activity, I click the box. I see the time in here. I click it. Then I assign a time. We block our time. We create time blocks. We just click the activity and we type in the time of that activity. We have 2 buttons in here, show schedule and hide schedule. If I click hide schedule, it will hide the class schedule. Now the class schedule is no longer visible. If I click show schedule, it will show me the class schedule again. We have calendar view. In calendar view, we see all the activities in here. All the activities. This is plus version. Therefore, all the activities, goals tab, habit, recurrent task, revision, a task, habit, revision, step. We have academic task, study, academic task, assignment. I see all type of activities in one single calendar. There are no separate calendars. There are only one single calendar for all types of activities. Now, this is home dashboard of plus versions. We have space repetition dashboard, and we have student planner dashboard too. Space repetition dashboard and student plan dashboard are quite similar. They have similarities. We wait for the page. Again, in space repetition, we have overview section. This time we see only the revisions. There are no the other activities. We see only the revisions. There are no habits. There are no tasks. There are no academic tasks. Only revisions in space repetition dashboard. And this dashboard is the dashboard of normal versions. In normal versions, we see this dashboard. So, overview, flashcard section, master view, quick glance, quick add topic, quick add note, quick add flashcards. So as you can see, so in spaced repetition templates, we have spaced repetition table, we have notes, we have flashcards, intervals. Intervals are only present in complex versions, complex and complex plus. Again, classes, weekly planner, and calendar. Now, as we can see, the only revisions are present in the calendar, and all the revisions, so first, second, third, fourth, and fifth revisions are present in the calendar. This is spaced repetition dashboard. We see only the revisions. If I go to student planner dashboard, again we have overview section. This time the revisions are excluded. I see the activities of student planner template, academic tasks, goals, steps, habits, and recurrent tasks. The same overview section, the same goals section, same reading overview, reading goals, classes. This time we have categories. In home dashboard, there was not categories, but in student planner, we have categories. We have weekly planner, and we have calendar. So we see that we don't see any revision in here. Revisions are excluded in student planner dashboard. In home dashboard, we see all of them in one. This is how plus versions look like. Now I'll go to complex version. This was complex plus. It has a main dashboard, spaced repetition dashboard, and student plan dashboard. In normal versions, so as we have seen, we have the dashboard of spaced repetition, overview section, flashcards, master view, classes, weekly planner, and calendar. Same thing in here too. Now let's add topic note, flashcard. We mentioned that we have spaced repetition table, notes, flashcards, intervals. Intervals are present only in complex and complex plus versions, and we have classes and subjects. Let's see these pages too. This is our spaced repetition table. I see what revisions I have for today. Upcoming, overdue, completed revisions. They are not completed revision. This one is list view. This one is gallery view. Let's just complete one of them. Status 4, mediocre. Status 5, good. As we have seen. So once we have completed the revision, we see the revision in here. So this is list view. And these are all of them. So we have completed. This is all view in quick view. Now let's see this is normal table view. We have difficulty, class, subject, topic, date started, create revisions button, progress, date 1, status 1, date 2, status 2, date 3, status 3, date 4, status 4, date 5, status 5, my intervals. This my intervals property is found in complex versions and moderate versions. I will not show you how to use the table. There's a video named Spaced Repetition Templates Comparison in my YouTube channel. Watch that video to learn how to use the spaced repetition tables. I have shown you how to use the table in detail, and I have compared the three types: simple, moderate, and complex. What differentiates them? you can see them. You can see the difference between them in the video in my channel. Go to my channel, you'll see the video. In this view we have grouped the revision by class. This is gallery view by subject and by difficulty. These are different views. This is how the table looks like. Now I go to notes. We have notebooks. For each page we have info page, which guides you how to add how to do something related to that page content. So this one says how to add a new notebook, how to add a new note, how to add notes to a notebook. So we have notebooks and we have notes. This is new notes, in process notes, all the table by class, notes classified, group by class, by subject and by notebook. So how do you create a note? First, we click new page. We type the name of the note that says inverse functions. I choose the class I choose, so the internet connection is slow, therefore I won't do it. It will take our time, so let's skip this. We click new page, we type in the name of the note, then we select our relations. We have many relations: class, subject, revision, notebook. We have all these 4 relations. The relations we choose, the note will be inserted, will be added to that relation. For example, multi-step equations note is present in mathematics page, in linear equations page, and in this revision. For example, I open this revision. This are revision, and I see my notes. If I have a flashcards, I see them in here too. So this one is the revisions we have created in the table. If you go to that spaced repetition table, as you can see, date 1, status 1, date 2, status 2. This is the page content of the revisions. It gives us the notes of the revision and flashcards of that revision. If I open the class, so I see the subjects, the revisions of that class, the notes of that class. So these are subjects, these are revisions, these are notes, and these are the flashcards. So what do we do? We type in, we create a new note, we type in our note name, we type in the note name, we select the relations, class, subject, revision, notebook. Then that note will be inserted to those relations. Something I need to mention. Now, I click one of the relations, for example, class. I click edit property and limit. We see in here the limit is 1 page. So it says that you can choose only one subject. You can choose only one class, only one subject, only one revision. If we want to add one single note to many classes, to many subjects, to many notebooks, we need to remove this limit. So for example, as we see, we have limit 1 page. Let's try to add another class. I try to add it, it changes it. It does not add it. If we want to add more classes, more subjects, we'll remove this limit. We have removed the limit. I click it, now to select it. I click it, now we don't have any limit. If you want to add the same node to many classes, to multiple classes, to multiple subjects, to multiple revisions and multiple notebooks, you need to remove the limit on the relations. Now let's see how a class is subject page appears. Its subject page looks like this: revisions, notes and flashcards. So when I open a specific subject, I see the revisions in that subject, I see notes in that subject, and I see flashcards in that subject. If I open a revision, I see the notes on that subject, and I see flashcards on that revision. My bad, on that revision. We can add a notebook too. If I select one of these notebooks, the note will be inserted to that notebooks. We can choose some topics and tags to make filtering better. We can add URL to, link to. If I want to show you something, so these are the templates. So we have active recall, brain dump, charting, kernel, journal, lecture, outline, problem, step, explanation, question, evidence, conclusion, question, note, sentence, note templates. Now let's see them. Let's see a couple of them. This is normal. So if I click one of these, that note template will be created. So I click active recall. Now it has created active recall templates. I delete them. Now let's create brain dump. So we dump our knowledge, so gaps, notes for the next review, and overall performance. This time I click new page. Whenever we create a new note, this new page template will be, you'll find this new page template. It just contains template buttons. We have slow internet connection. I think it's not due to internet connection, it's due to Notion. I don't know why. So we have page buttons. Actually it's template buttons. So I make it full page. We've seen the templates. If I click one of these buttons, will insert the template at the bottom of the page. So I click the brain dump, it has created the brain dump template. So I click it again, it has created the second template. So we have the first and the second template. Now I click which one? Lecture. Where's lecture? So I click lecture, has inserted the lecture template at the bottom of the note. So summary, question, source, connections, gaps, knowledge, important points, keys, notes, quick overview, objectives, our lecture note template. Now, let's add kernel. So we have kernel node, keys, notes, and summary. We have many note templates. We can use buttons, or we can use this, or we can click one of these to create the templates. We have covered the notes. Now it's time for flashcards. Same in here. To create a flashcards, so we have grouped. First we click new group, which is our class if it's not present here. Now let's go from biology. We have biology class. We select our subject, we select our region, and we type in our question, our remembering, and answer. If there's an image, we insert it, we add it in here. If there's image answer in image format, we add it in here too. So these are the steps: class, subject, revision, question, and answer. Now, these questions are in carbohydrates revision. If I change this to something else, let's make it lipids. This question, this flashcard is no longer found in carbohydrates. Now let's open carbohydrates. Go to flashcards. We no longer see what type of reaction occurs, so we don't see what type of reaction occurs when two monosaccharides combine to form a disaccharide. If I change the revision Y is cellulose indigestible to most humans, just never mind that. Let's change this revision, change this to lipids. So we see in here there's a sorting. First we sort by subject, then we sort by revision, and the flashcards are automatically grouped. So we see the lipids in here, carbohydrates in here. Let's see how carbohydrates again. What are the three primary? So what are the three primary? We don't see the flashcards. Now let's open the lipids. We see the two flashcard questions. When the date of revision arrives, for example, carbohydrate, now let's see it. What are the dates of revisions for carbohydrates? Well, we have marked this completed just ago. For example, if date 5 is empty, today is January 18. If it becomes January 23, I'll see in home dashboard, in the dashboard page, the flashcards, or I can see it in here too, to practice section of the flashcards page. I'll see it in the dashboard in the flashcards section, or I'll see it in here. Then I'll practice the flashcards. So intervals are present only complex and complex plus versions. I'll not mention this. Class and subjects. We have classes. So it says we have 10 revisions. It means that 2 topics, 2 times 5 equals 10. we have 6 nodes and you have 3 processed. It means that there are 3 remaining nodes that which you have not completed writing them. There are still 3 nodes to go. In here still there are 3 nodes still to go. We finished 1 node. We finished 1 node, there are 5 to go. And we have finished any node and there are 3 to go. So we just add a new node, add a new class, then we add our new subjects in here. We click new group. So this already exists. Then we type in our subjects. There's nothing else to mention. You can find there are 2 more videos in my YouTube channel. One is for comparison of the spaced repetition templates. One is for studio plan template. You can watch those videos to get more insights about the templates. You can find the link to the templates in the description. Thank you for watching. Before that, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.